The topic of my oratory is a day as a bird in the sky. If I were a bird, I would fly high in the sky. I would spread my wings and feel the cool wind. I could go anywhere I want over trees, rivers, and mountains. I would look down and see houses, cars, and people. It would be so much fun to feel the cool wind. I will sing songs and meet other birds. We would fly together and find the food. Being a bird for one day will become a come true. Flying in the sky will make me free and happy. Thank you.